Today I will show how to buy shares of Imperial Oil Ltd. This company operates in oil production, refining, and energy services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IMO. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IMO. Look for the listing labeled Imperial Oil Ltd. and make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ. Select that result to open the company page. On the asset page, confirm the basic company information and review the price chart. Check the listing name and exchange again to ensure it is the correct Imperial Oil Ltd. stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule the order or offer alternatives, and if you lack sufficient funds, it will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade completes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.